Importing data into Salesforce from Google Sheets with G-Connector. Being able to insert data into Salesforce directly from Google Sheets is a great solution for Salesforce admins to save time and effort. G-Connector provides an easy way to do this. To create new records in Salesforce, you'll only need a spreadsheet with your data. Let's say we want to insert a list of leads to our Salesforce org. We already have the data that we need to upload on our spreadsheet. We now click Launch from G-Connector's menu to display the side panel, which shows several options. We'll now select Values so that our selection spans across all rows, and click Create, Modify, Delete in the side panel. And from the options displayed, we click Update, Insert, Upsert Data. A dialog box will be displayed called Push Template. Here we need to give the template a name, select the correct operation, and select the object we're loading records into. In this case, the object is lead. Then we map our sheet columns to fields in Salesforce. This will be automatically done by the connector, but you need to verify if the mappings are correct before proceeding. You can map any columns that weren't correctly mapped by dragging fields from the top table and dropping them on the columns in the bottom table. In the Push Mode tab, we can define if we want to insert currently selected rows, all rows, or a specific range of rows. Now we can click Save Template if we want to store your settings as a template for future use. Finally, we click Push, and our leads will be loaded into Salesforce. This operation can be performed with any object or custom object in our Salesforce org. Note that G-Connector provides the ID numbers for the newly created records to the right of your original spreadsheet rows, one column over. In case a record could not be inserted, an error message will also be displayed to the right of the specific row. It's also possible to populate any column with the IDs of the created records right inside of the data, not only in the results area. The saved template can be used by Premium Lite users to insert data in Salesforce just by clicking on the Run Template button. We'll see the success message one column over. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.